Okay, I'm back. I'm your host, John Iasulo, and this is the Computer Outlook Radio Talk Show coming to you live from the Las Vegas Convention Center in Las Vegas, Nevada, and we're at CES 2010. Those of you out there, come visit us. We're in the North Hall, booth 131. It's a broadcast center, and we're in Suite B. Sitting in as my co-host for this one is Corey Laidlaw. Corey, how you doing?
I'm doing great, John. How are you?
What's happening, man? You
Not
see
much,
anything
just,
exciting stuff?
Yep.
Yeah?
Seen a lot of exciting stuff. I
Cool.
definitely enjoyed the game exhibit.
Did you go over there?
Yeah. Yep.
Good stuff?
Found some stuff to
Find
look
anybody we
into.
could do interviews with?
Yes, I did. I found 3 really good products that I liked.
Cool.
So.
Cool. This is a great product that we're going to talk about now. It's Honest Technology, and we got Michael Romanis with us. And Michael's a good friend of our show. He's been with us for a while. Constantly supplying us with product and updates of what's going on. Mike, how you doing?
Very good, John. How are you?
I'm doing good. Long days, but okay.
Very long.
So what do we got?
Well, we've got a new product here which we're announcing at the show. That's the VHS to DVD 5 Premium. This extends the VHS to DVD series out further. And with this product, what we've done is we've actually added the application code into a hardware device.
That's like PhotoBox.
Just like PhotoBox.
Okay.
A little bit different, though. With PhotoBox, you actually have an SD card input, as you
Right.
know, because I think you've played
Right.
with the product.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
With this, what we've done is we've actually put in here the digitization device for VHS to DVD
built into
into
the
this
flash drive.
device.
Okay.
Built into the flash drive.
Cool.
So we have the dongle over here holding the RCA and the S-video inputs. And inside, we have a 4 gigabyte flash drive in here.
So now we've eliminated manuals, and now we eliminated this, so we just need the product now.
Need the product. Product comes in the box with an easy-to-use guide.
There you go.
And that's
How
it.
slick is that? What does this do, though?
Well, a couple things. First of all, the difference between the prior version and the new version is that, as I said, this version has 4 gigabytes of flash memory. What we do is we actually put the program code in about a half a gigabyte.
Right.
So it's sitting there in read-only memory that the user can't destroy, and that leaves about 3.5 gigabytes free.
Right.
Due to that fact, we actually have this as a portable video device now, so you can actually take this and move this between PCs, and you'll be able to store about 3.5 gigabytes of video, which will hold about 90 minutes worth of NTSC formatted type video of that
Wow.
quality level.
Wow.
Wow.
So much like the standard VHS to DVD 4, which is currently out in the marketplace, which is using the older technology
Right, right.
digitization device, we've moved, much as PhotoBox has, into this little box and made this very portable. And just as importantly, if you have a strong netbook, or if you want to be able to play video on your netbook after creating the product on a different PC, you have up to 90 minutes worth of video here that you can bring over to your netbook. and
It's
go
a great
directly to
product.
it.
You know why? It gives you an opportunity to very easily convert your memories.
Exactly.
And I really like it for that. It's a very simple product to use, but a very good product.
Not only that, I could see maybe recording. Do you think it could record regular like DVDs?
You can record not only to CD, but to DVD and to Blu-ray DVDs. We include the burning software in these products.
Okay.
So all of our products that actually create and save the memories include the burning software and all the licenses and royalties to burn on CD, DVD, and Blu-ray DVD.
All right. What about doing the reverse process of taking it from CD and putting it on your computer?
Well, you would typically be able, from a CD, you'd be able to just copy it onto your computer if you want to do that.
I don't know. With DVDs, it's not. I don't know. My computer doesn't do that, so.
Does this push directly up to YouTube?
This it does. It pushes directly up to YouTube as well, and as some of our other products, you can get the videos up to Facebook. And as I mentioned probably a year ago when we spoke,
Right.
especially here that we're in the gaming conference, you can actually take some of the other gaming devices that have 3 input jacks, the RCA phonoplug jacks,
Record your
and
video.
play your games through this device onto your PC and watch your gameplay. And when you're watching your gameplay, you can actually record it. So I know there's been a lot of tournaments, a lot of kids like to record their gameplay because they're very competitive with their friends. What you can do with this device, instead of having the camera sitting behind you and catching the back of your head and catching the screen flickering,
Yeah.
you can actually capture just the gameplay on the computer screen and record that.
Yeah, I know that machinimas are getting big now.
Oh, yeah.
So.
PhotoBox. Talk to Corey about PhotoBox. He likes that. I know he's going to like this one.
PhotoBox is an interesting product. It is, again, a fob device. What we have here is a USB interface. That USB interface is USB 2. We have a slot over here, so it's a memory card reader. That slot takes SD. You can also, with an adapter, put micro SD and other memory configurations in there. Much like we just discussed about the VHS DVD5 Premium, the program code is actually on this device. So you can go to a netbook or a PC, plug this into your computer, and it'll actually bring the application code onto your computer automatically. So you don't have a CD, no installation. And it's really good for consumers that aren't extremely technical, number one, or number two, that get very confused with regard to the filing system and where all the memory or the images and everything else is stored, or really just don't like pulling all the pictures over, trying to select them and do the whole directory copies. You push the memory card into here before they put it in the card, and it'll pull all of those into the application. With the application, you have drag and drop against the timeline. You can actually pull in not only the images, but also the videos that may be on your still frame camera that takes some video.
Cool.
Okay.
With that on the timeline, you can add background music or background sound. And even with this device, you can use your microphone in your PC and do narration directly from the program. So with this, just as an example, my son plays high school football, wants to get recruited by the colleges. I took this device, took my camera from pictures I took at the game, took the videos of him during his football games that are all silent, and I laid it out in a nice long little photo library. With that photo library, I added tracks of music behind it, and actually narrations and weightlifting competitions, and made a single video DVD that I can send.
So
Wow.
not only does that pull your pictures, you can actually edit it all.
Exactly. You have red eye capability of modification for red eye. You have the ability to do some cropping with the device as well. So there's limited functionality with being able to get into that actual picture and manipulate it. But most importantly, you have the transition effects and you have the tiling ability as well. So say even from this show here, if you took a lot of pictures with your camera, you could, on the way home, on the plane, actually create your whole presentation directly from here.
Wow.
That's cool.
Cool stuff, man. What's happening with Photo DVD? What's that, 4? Okay.
This is version 4. It's, as I said, the product that's out there right now. We also have version 3. The
That's
difference
with a box, okay.
The difference between 3 and 4 is 4 actually supports 1080p resolution, HD TV, and also supports Blu-ray DVD burning.
Cool. This Photo DVD 4.0?
Photo DVD 4.0 is actually the software that you would find on PhotoBox.
PhotoBox, that's right. Yeah, okay, good. I remember now.
So different
That's
configuration.
very easy to use, PhotoBox. It's great.
Yeah.
Not only that, it's so portable and convenient. You can stick it in your pocket, your computer bag, take it with you, and it doesn't matter which computer you're on. So you don't have to go and reinstall on a different computer, worry about licenses and serial numbers and everything else. Just plug and play and move it
How's the
directly
show
over.
been for you, Mike?
Very busy so far.
Yeah?
Very
That's
busy.
good. It's good. It's out there, isn't it?
It is. It's a little more exciting.
A lot of people, yeah, versus last year?
Yes.
Oh, my God. You remember last year?
It was horrible.
People were so concerned, so upset. You know, and there's reason still a little bit of concern still has to be there. I don't think everybody's, but I think everybody's really delighted at the atmosphere,
Yes.
the feel. You can see people are a little bit more happier this
Not
year.
as loud.
Showstoppers, yeah. Well, that's a configuration move we made back here. We put that service center next to us. Plus, we went from what is this, a north-south configuration versus an east-west, where we were right in the midst of all the noise last year. It was like crazy.
Yeah.
And Guitar Hero's not right next to you.
No, no. G4 is gone too. They were up there.
Oh, jeez.
They were only here for one day. Thanks a lot for stopping by, man.
Thank you. Really appreciate it.
And always say thank you for all the support.
Absolutely.
You always keep us full of product and keep everybody happy. We run good contests with it, and I really, really appreciate that.
Great. Thank you, John. You too, Corey.
All right.
Good luck.
You take care of yourself. Corey, I want to make sure that we get some of this down to you because Mike always gives it to me. We'll get it down. Once you test it, we'll play with it, all right?
No problem.
And see what
Sounds
you like.
fun.
And then just write him a nice little email. Let him know what you like and what you don't. You can tell him what you like and what you don't like because he'll make it work then.
Sweet. I
All
like
right?
that.
Yeah, oh, he responds to it, yeah. No, the whole company there. It's a good company. How long's the company been around?
About 11 years now.
11 years.
U.S. market about 4 or 5.
And I've been with you for over 7 years now.
I think so.
Yeah, I know, yeah. It's been like wild, huh?
We're older than dirt.
That's good. Yeah, right? Thanks, man.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Really
Okay,
appreciate
you
it.
take care. All right, Corey, we're going to take a little bit of a break. We're going to come back in maybe a couple of minutes. And I think when we come back, we're going to be talking to my friend Doug Percher from International Supplies. He's got a lot of new product that he wants to introduce to us, so we'll be back in about, maybe 5-10 minutes with another set of interviews. Thank you. Again, thanks, Mike. Take care. All right.